And welcome back to SHINA and U plus TA and news. So I'm trying to show the world what SHINA and U is, and I want to continue down the white papers, and then we're going to get into the charts. So I do appreciate the few that have joined the community now. I take time to build an audience for SHINA and U, but I am proud and blessed to have who we do. We have almost 1,200 people in that have subscribed on YouTube, so I really appreciate the support. So let's go through this, and then I'll give you a little bit of TA to show you what the current market setup is. So this is continuing on our white papers, and if you're interested in seeing what came before this, just continue looking back at my previous couple updates to continue on the running series. So SHIB, the SHINA Burn Bank, SHIB, will receive SHINA tokens or SHIBA tokens, and those tokens will be burned roughly according to the following formula for each donation given. A, dollar amount to be burned from SHIB. D, amount of the donation DP in terms of dollars. S, total dollar amount of tokens in SHIB. C, inverse of the maximum fraction of tokens that will be burned from SHIB. For each donation sent to DP, C will be initially set to 20, which will cap the burns per donation of 5% of SHIB. The above algorithm places a cap on the amount of SHI that can be burned. For each donation, the value of C can be changed over time by the community to protect the tokens in SHIB and maintain a strong incentive. Note, the above equation will not be used in the actual implementation of the code for this mechanism. This equation is simply a nice way to demonstrate the desired curve. The actual implementation will be a crude approximation of this formula in order to decrease gas fees. For example, assume SHIB has 5,000 staked SHI. If a person then donates Ethereum worth 200 SHI, then approximately 400 SHI will be burned, and there will be 4,600 SHI remaining in SHIB. For very large donations, relative to the size of SHIB, the amount a donation burns may be less than the donation amount. This needs to be the case, or there is a risk of depleting SHIB as it continues to burn SHI. Electing to stake your SHI in SHIB as a given bounty gives you a chance to receive the total 50% portion of the donations each epoch. At the end of each epoch, one wallet is chosen to receive the entire 50% share of the donation plus donation shares from prior epochs that have not been yet distributed. The probability is weighted so that more SHI a wallet has staked, the greater its chances. Each epoch will initially have a duration of 7 days. The epoch duration can change as needed to provide security to burn mechanisms. The minimum balance of a wallet during an epoch will be used to calculate that wallet's points. For the epoch, the probability a specific wallet receives a reward is described by the following equation. Probability, it's PST, probability a particular wallet is selected to receive the rewards. Minimum dollar amount W1 has staked in SHIB during the epoch. Total dollar amount contributed to the SHIB pool by wallets. And I know we have a very intolerable audience that doesn't want to watch a lot of info. So we'll start on page 5 on my next update for SHINA and U. So now let's get into the charts. So SHINA and U is up 6.32%, and it's come up almost to our broken bull flag that we talked about on our last update. We talked about how a pump could happen all the way up to here. We're looking for a rejection up in this 4+ area. That's why I said, let's let this play out. Let's try to figure this out, because ultimately we're looking for this to break down even farther than it was. After this small bear trap or bear market rally, we're looking for a rejection up here, and then we can follow back down to the uptrending support that'll cut us out over 50%. So that's what the main story is today. We're coming up to that bull flag, but we're still in this very big ascending triangle that until we break out of or break below, which we can't really break much below, but I'm still looking for a return back down here, either down to the low 2 or mid 2s at the consolidation area. Make sure to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments if this helps, and let me know if you like SHINA and U.